Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on Fifth Third Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in 53.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Fifth Third Bank website. Now in order to cancel your credit card, first of all, you will need to log into your account. Within the bank section, hover over and then underneath products, click on credit card. This will now take you into the credit card page, from which you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then choose from online or commercial banking. After choosing this, enter your user ID that you have set up while creating your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be taken into your credit card page right away. From within your credit card, you can proceed towards management of your credit card option and you will find the option to cancel your card. Read through the process carefully and then make sure all of the requirements are met before you proceed forward with canceling your card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your credit card on Fifth Third Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.